Let's see what we have. It's FOMC, 10 o'clock. We have consumer confidence numbers coming out. FOMC tomorrow, we have a lot of earnings. You got Apple, you got like big names, bro. Apple, Meta, Microsoft, Tesla. Apple's probably, what is this, second biggest company in the world after Nvidia. Microsoft's second biggest company in the world. At this stage, 3.5 trillion is Microsoft. Apple is sitting at 3.75 trillion. I mean, big names, bro. All trillion-dollar companies have earnings. Meta 1.7. Um, what is this? Tesla 1.45. Big names have earnings coming out. So, I mean, the game is essentially gonna be just wait for the best possible setups, fam. Right? That's essentially the game plan that I have on the day. I'm just gonna be taking it easy. I'm gonna see if there is anything solid setting up where I'm happy to put my money in, and we go from there. I guess that's the plan. All right, we wait for the best. The UNH made a $30 move in the pre-market. Really? Oh my, yeah, earnings, bro. Hey, you gotta say that earnings as well, bro. Jeez, earnings. All right. I pretty much think it's very likely Microsoft's involvement in all this AI that we have. Then you have Meta hiring people and paying them freaking billions of dollars for AI. This week's earnings gonna define a lot about because everybody's eyes on this bubble that we might be in. Are we in bubble? Are we not in bubble? Everybody's keeping an eye on this. You see what I'm saying? So essentially what's going to happen is this week earnings, next week earnings, they're going to define how the stock market pretty much reacts. It doesn't matter what Trump says, it doesn't matter what was happening, bro. If the numbers are not pretty, we we might be sliding down, and if they are pretty, I think we it's already priced in that everything is going smooth and everything is going pretty, if that makes sense. Because any company with a name AI or any company that is putting money towards AI is flying in these days, right? So I personally think everything is priced in. All the good news is already priced in. So it could be an event of, it, yeah, it could be an event of. Yeah, this could be an event of buy the rumor, sell the news, but you know what I mean. We do not have any bias whatsoever. We'll see if there is something solid, and we go from there. So they bought a startup called Manus AI. Bro, Manus was one of the best AI platforms out there, one of the best softwares out there. The agent mode in it was one of the best things out there. Like, for example, for any business owners, Manus was one of the best things since Meta bought it. As soon as Meta bought it, bro, see you later. It was just a yeah, Meta bought Manus, and pretty much just went south really bad. Um, it was a credit based LLM, pretty much like ChatGPT is monthly based, so you always want to be efficient. It doesn't want to read all your freaking questions, just want to summarize it really quick. Um, and then comes your Menace. It was credit based LLM, one of the best ones out there, and all of a sudden, Meta bought it, turned off one of the most used feature because they forced people to use the other features. Anyway, and it went south. Pretty much everybody that I know who was using it, they switched. Like, fuck this. All right, SPY QQQ's divergence. Everybody, pay attention to this. This is important. All right, whenever SPY QQQ starts seeing divergence, whenever you have charts where you start seeing divergence like this, what's the best way? Anybody has any idea what's the best way to approach the market then? Like SPY QQQs right now, they have divergence. How you doing? All right. Let's see. Let's see where my money heavy. I don't think today is probably gonna be the day for my money in a way. If there is something setting up, we definitely will take it. But there's a lot of names that are burning, man. Meta, Microsoft, Tesla, Apple, all of these AI companies. Apple's trying this its AI feature with Google. Google is earning next week. Um, it'll be interesting to see, man.
Right. We'll find something.
Yeah, it'll be interesting to see because they invested billions and billions of dollars with ChatGPT to make the Siri a little bit more smarter, but it clearly didn't work. So now they're working with Gemini. So their earning reports will tell if that became a loss or they, shifting the whole premise of the investment. It will be interesting to see, and I personally believe this week is going to be the key week for a lot of investors. Yesterday, I did a one-on-one call with Mr. JTQ. JTQ went from it's been 14, 15 months that he's full-time trader. We bought a new house with trading profits. Took his
Back.
took his renovated the whole place. Took his 2K account to I think yesterday while we were talking. Um, he keeps 200K in his trading account now. Average month's about 50K, and I made him break down what's your like how do you trade, what changed, and LTP is still the foundation, but he uses LTP on a bigger time frame. The smallest chart that he watch is 10-minute chart. The smallest chart that he watches is 10-minute chart. Hey, it's not 2 minute, it's not 5 minute. The hourly chart became the weekly chart. The daily chart became the what we call it. Hey, it's total different, and I made him break down everything. Spy QQQ still stuck in the job, so we're not doing that. Tesla earnings, not doing it. Nvidia just made a V-shaped recovery, not doing it. AMD's stuck in the chop right now, not doing it. You got Amazon stuck within the chop. Yeah, essentially at this stage, I'll just do a quick little rundown of the market, man. Essentially at this stage, the probably the best trade is going to be if you get some sort of nice setup happening on Nvidia, or second one's gonna be AMD if it breaks out of this little range of and then comes your SPY QQQs, and Apple has earnings, G. So we'll I guess we'll see what happens. You see, it's been it's been 33 minutes that we've been patient. Only thing that I see, it's Spy. Spy made a nice move towards the upside, made a big push, broke above the pre-market high, and now pulled back. Now we're gonna see how far does this pull back. If this pulled back to 0.236 Fibonacci, 0.236 or 0.382, if it touches 0.5 Fibonacci, we out. We're never gonna enter. The Spy's out. So we're watching this, see if it sets up nice. Nvidia no entry yet. Spy almost hit 0.5 fib, and Spy is never gonna be a trade pretty much now. Alright, Spy's out. We never when I say out, we never entered Spy. It's just not a name to watch anymore. Why? Because the moment it hits something that hits 0.5 Fibonacci, bro, it becomes a slow name to trade. The reason why I say slow name to trade, like my grandmother, she's 90 plus, she can freaking walk faster. You know what I mean? The strongest of the strong names will bounce off 0.236. The strong names will bounce off 0.382, but neutralish names will bounce off 0.5, but they will go so slow that it takes forever for option contracts. And people say, but 0.618 is the 0.618 is the golden ratio. No, shut up. Not for day traders. You see what I'm saying? For day traders, it's different, total different. So we chill. Yeah.
Right.
It's about VWAP has a lot of confluence with a lot of other. Yeah, VWAP so far looks like has a lot of confluence. Yes, you can say ATMA there, ORB there, VWAP there, 21 EMA if it looks like there. You can essentially take the trade with a tight stop loss, but it's not going to be the like you're not expecting it to make a new high of the day. And that whenever something like this happens, that's where you want to go half of the move as a profit target. That means whatever the top is and wherever the bounce has happened, half of that is going to be profit target. But I speak about this in the modules as well. Whenever something like this happens, something slow, the half of the total pullback becomes a profit target. That makes sense? Everybody? Bro, 45 minutes no trade. Come on, Nvidia, give me an entry, darling. What have I ever done to you? Nvidia is so strong. I think we can even essentially switch to smaller time frame, find the entry. But when I go on a smaller time frame, it just doesn't look as clean somehow. Yeah, Nvidia is strong. We can switch to small time frame if you want, if you feel comfortable with it. But if you want to give it a shot, we can give it a shot based off a 2-minute chart. So Nvidia is yesterday's high. I like the stop loss, man. Stop loss looks really clean. Yesterday's high is sitting at roughly this price point. I'm watching this Nvidia fam above this 189.15 ish area for potentially 195 or 190 calls. Something to keep an eye on. A little risky, definitely. QQQs and SPY not making a move up. I want to just see also 5-minute chart setting up. How's 5-minute chart looking on Nvidia for so far? Nvidia 5-minute chart looking not bad. I'll let you know when I jump in. 190 contracts look not bad either. Okay. Looks nice. Alright, I got in, yeah. 2.82. Alright, 2.82 is a full price. It's just based off a 2-minute chart. Yeah, exactly. 189.6 is a level. But where's the 189.6 level coming from? Day before yesterday. It's coming from day before yesterday where the prices got rejected quite significantly heavy. Alright. Not the biggest move. Probably would not have taken the trade. Yeah, we need some buyers coming in. Yeah, we need buyers coming in. It's definitely strong. The volume confirms that the buyers are there. 189.5 break would be nice. A hold above that would be nice. I used 2-minute chart to kind of find my spot because the 5-minute chart was extremely strong. We went from low of the day to high of the day, made like a $5 move. Let's get it. Vladimir. Let's go. All right. Let's see if Nvidia gets above 189.5. We have SPY QQQs that are trying as well. This is essentially what we're looking for. I want to see if this breaks out of this 189.6. Next target's going to be 190. Yeah. Next target 190. Contracts holding decent. Down 2% right now. Nothing crazy. What do we have on SPY, B? What's SPY doing?
By by hit 0.5 before, yeah.
Yeah, SPY did 0.5 fib before. It needs to make a new high for much to kind of get excited about that for sure.
Yep. And Qs are moving like gas anyway.
Yeah. AMD got rejected off the 400 moving average at the top. Amazon's pushing. Essentially, I want to see Nvidia break above 189.5. Once we see a break of 189.5, I mean, it's extremely strong. If we see a break of 189.5 now, it'll be decent. Momentum is there, volume is there. Yeah, if it makes a new high, yeah, we'll see. So why would you enter Nvidia now? We missed the whole upside. We didn't miss the whole upside. It didn't actually give an entry. But yeah. It's like, let's say 20 minutes from now, Nvidia is a low of the day. But what's giving you confidence to jump in puts now? Hey, you see what I'm saying? Like, it's so trendy pushing towards the upside. So 20 minutes later, be like, oh my God, I've missed the whole move towards the downside. So, well, I'm not going to take the trade. So, I guess at the end of the day, we never know. All right, down 7% on this Nvidia so far. Nothing crazy. 8%. 188.75 ish is gonna be my stopping out of this. So QQQs on a SPY looks like crap, bro. Also hit 0.5 fib before. 0.75. Alright, Biddenas broke below, holding below. Yeah, I'm jumping out. Wait, why the fuck did I switch on a smaller time frame again? Tell me. Why did I switch on a smaller time frame to make my life difficult? Right?
The fear of missing out.
Yeah, FOMO. 11% fucking loss for absolutely no reason. It was not required at all. I could have kept my 11% in my pocket. That bro back to back to modules. Very good. Very, very good. But now, honestly speaking, I don't think. Yeah, it was probably not something that I should have done, but I don't think the contracts hurt that bad though. 11% on a decent, quite a fucking significant stop loss. Contract's still not bad. The 5-minute chart is giving us an entry. Yes. We'll find out. Bro. Now we'll go up. If we go up on a 5-minute chart, we have a nice candle, then we trade again, bro. Then we jump in again. Said this proves that you are human. I know I'm a human, bro. I promise you, I get pissed off, and I have the same fucking problems. Of course, I'm a human. All right, what else? Like, Batman. Nah, I'm not a human. I'm Indian Batman, bro. Come on. Pessimish, you respect your stop loss like a boss. Only way, bro. Only way to survive in the game. If somebody has a bad habit of not respecting the stop loss, even if a trade goes in their favor later, the habit's cooked. Because one day the trade's not gonna, um, one day the trade's not gonna go in your favor eventually, and you're gonna keep on freaking losing.
AMD has. Yeah, nah, AMD looks shit. You were right, man. You can smell before the market opened. Damn.
Right. So how much did you lose on Nvidia, bro? Nothing crazy, man. It was the first trade of the day. First trade of the day, I usually keep 2 to 3,000. I think I entered. Let me check. Yeah, I entered 10 contracts. Yeah, so it was about $3,000 position size. It's 11%. Let's say 15% for do do the numbers. Probably lost like $350. Nothing crazy. Yeah, so none crazy.
We might get a re-entry on Nvidia soon.
Yeah, the risk reward for now kind of looks from Timu for now, but we'll see if what re-entry if this 5 minute candle closes the way it's closing, it might be all right. Spy looks weak. I think I shouldn't. I don't want to say this out loud, but I smell some weakness on Spy. I feel like it has done the job that it wanted to do for the upside, and it might be just fucking around now. Um, um, I'm not saying nobody do full port, bro. I'm just saying, based off the way the chart looks, the momentum at the upside, the level, the way we got rejected quite a few times, not quite a few times, like significantly got rejected around this area right here. A lot of times, then we had a trend line forming right at the bottom. 3 touches, and broke below that, went back, retested this right here, and hasn't broken with a lot of volume, but still broke below that. It could be a candidate. That's all I'm saying. It looks weak. Is that, bro? I'm already in. Yeah, I'm just putting it out there. You do what you want to do with it.
Yeah, we'll keep an eye on the video, fam, for LTP calls. These red candles have less volume than green candles. Trendy. Looks nice.
Said you in, bro. Um, I'm not in any trade now. Manpreet Singh. I'm not in any trade right now, bro. No.
Your entry trick is 189.5. It's an ask hold, but I will add in when 181.1, like yesterday high breaks, which is 189.13. Wait for bids and asks to hold.
I'm watching State Street. Hey, watching State Street. Spider. Um, there is a PC, Pamela, on it. There's a PC on a 5 minute chart, 1025. State Street is SPY, yeah.
Yeah, 5 second hold.
Not taking Nvidia. It looks nice. It looks nice.
Yep. As I said yesterday, high was 189.13.
Yeah.
If bids and asks would have holded above for 5 seconds, which it didn't, the entry triggered, but entry never got triggered.
Yeah. The trade would be above there. Yeah. Said if somebody entered this SPY puts, man, with a stop loss, bro, I'm not saying jump in SPY puts. All I'm saying is, based off the chart, based off the technical analysis, looks. I said I'm not in a trade yet. But yeah.
I'm in the mid range.
Yeah,
The
right.
first profit target will be half today, and then second profit target will be 190.
Yeah, 189.13 needs to hold there. You said yesterday's high, 189.3. Let's say 189.15. Yeah, we shift the number 189.15. If it holds, looking decent for you.
Yes, boss. Half the day when got touched, I will trim some, and then 190, as I said. We need volume. Still got a minute and a half. Oh, get your ass up.
Pump it up, right? Pump it up. You gotta pump it
That
up.
looks good.
Don't you know? Pump it up. That's it. Come on, Nvidia, get to the new high of the day, darling. Let's play the song, bro. Right? Let me the pump it up go.
Perfect volume more than previous channel.
Pump it up. Pow. Come on. Nvidia, get your ass up. Come on, y'all. Fuck. Hey, not disco like this, I'm telling y'all. Pump it up. Hey. Come on. V, let's go, bro. Pump it up. Let's go. They, that trade, absolutely freaking beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right, what's the target? 190. We can't. Wait, yeah, it's 10%. We can't just not have a song while clearly we know the song is working. You understand what I'm saying? We know it's pumping. So it gotta be something. Hey, remember our old song? What was that? Fuck. What was that one? What wasn't this? What was it? I forgot. No, wasn't it? No, wasn't this? I forgot. Hey, was it? No, it wasn't this. The 2020. The 30% music. that was right. Shit. It wasn't that one. It's not that one. No way. Come on. What a trade, bro. La, 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 la. Wait, what'd you say?
Break even stop loss.
What do you talk when the music playing? Fuck my. Didn't you have told this before? You see, now we pause the music. Look at that Vic. Come on, this man, he act like he new to this shit. Hey, guys, this man act like he new to this shit.
If we get filled, bro, then what?
Bro. Very good. Very, very good. In. Like somebody asking me, is there any time when you do not respect your stop loss? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. There is. Sir? Of course. The only time I do not respect my stop loss is when I'm making love with my wife. I'm not done till I'm liquidated. You see? Anyway, play the song. Oh my God. La 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 la. Bruh, come on, y'all. Hey, there's not enough energy in the chat for some reason, fam. Come on. Literally. Yo. Fuck yeah. That's it. That's it. Up and really, let's go, darling. La 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 la. How freaking good is that, yo? How freaking good is that? It's like a different feel to it, different energy to it, bro. That's it, darling. That's what's up. You wanna know what's up? This is what's up. Look, the song stopped. It freaking pulled back straight away. Oh my God. I swear to God, this is a back-tested strategy at this stage, fam. This is like a back-tested, forward-tested strategy at this stage. Isn't it? I know. It's absolutely nuts. Any other recommendations? Hey, something that has a vibe like this to it. Any language works. It doesn't matter. You have something from Mexico, whatever. Doesn't matter. You gotta be quick, man. At this stage, you gotta be quick with this music. That's it. Hey, by the way, what language is this? Anybody, what language is this? Portuguese. Fuck moi, bro. Shit. So add to NVIDIA, nah, stop loss too wide, bro. If you're still holding your original position, then you can still hold it. Otherwise, stop loss too wide.
I'll play that dog show funny thing.
Navi, let me pull Honey Singh's fucking good song, bro. The one that really, really, really fucking hits at parties. Everybody, by the way, take a little bit of profits on this, yeah? It'll be sunny, 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 sunny. Pani, 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 pani. Oh ho, oh ho, oh ho. Pani, 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 pani. Come on, y'all. Let's go. He said it's not the vibe, bro. The song started, made the name pull back. I know. How come? Hey, shit. Like clearly this is not working. I know, Jay. All right, y'all break even. Make sure you have break even stop loss on this shit. Yeah. The pani translated, pon pani means just water. You like just water, bro. Alright. Break even getting triggered for me. I'm jumping out of this shit. Actually, it bounced off by the time break even got triggered, but you know what? Break even getting triggered. Somehow the contract, bro, it didn't pay as much. I recovered back from my loss to this second entry. I recovered from the loss that I lost. Plus, somehow, only, paid pennies, I know. And I'm green on the day, but fuck. Nothing to flex about. Let's see what else.
I know Coin and me are not friends, but Coin is not looking bad.
Bro, at this stage, yesterday I made $900. Today I'm probably, at this stage, sir. Look at this. That's why I don't. Look at this. What happened on this spot? At that stage, looks so fucking weak. Now made a V-shaped recovery. Now we gotta see if there's a PC or some sort of setup. Maybe even on QQQs. I think we might get a PC on QQQs a little bit more easier than SPYs. Yeah, because SPY pushed through all-time highs. I know. Yeah, I'm all out of NVIDIA, by the way, y'all.
Oh, wait, SPY 702.
Will it be 700 though? Will it be today? Or does this earnings, fucking all these earnings and everything, make it tank? Be interesting to see. I reckon it'll be interesting to see. It'll be a good, um, good something to keep an eye. Basketball is $15 away, bro. Basketball is so far away at this stage. It's nuts. It's time to sell some long-term shares at some high. Yeah, it's never a bad time to sell. Yes, especially we made a massive, massive move. For example, if you're holding anything pretty much long-term, you can essentially take a little bit of profits. I don't look at my long-term account every day, bro, because it fucks with my brain way too much. Yeah, but definitely when you need to sell. Spy. Stop loss is extremely tight, man. 30 cents. Spy looks good, fam. Spy looking clean, by the way. I'm just saying for calls. Pretty much any calls you want to do. 10-minute chart looks nice. Stop loss looks tight. Yeah.
That's beautiful as it gets.
It looks decent. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if it keeps pushing towards the upside. I think we might be onto something here. This contract's gotta move though, darling. What is the target? The target is 696.4. Essentially risking like 25 cents for a potential 40 cents. But, you know, somewhere around there. Watching this, see how it goes. It looks decent. Yeah, volume ain't the nicest because I believe it has to do something with your certain names that are. Also, it's 11 o'clock, man. First 90 minutes is being kicked in. Yeah, we'll see. Come on, Spy. Get your ass up, darling. Say 869.86 is all time high. That's essentially one of the reasons I think if it pushes and breaks, makes a new all time highs on the names, there's no resistance level sitting at the top. You understand what I'm saying? But again, stop loss is extremely tight. Even if it goes against us, it's not gonna be like killing you as such. Um, looks it looks nice. If it kills you, like fully wipes your account out, that means you just did too big of a position size, sir. You know. You in already? Yeah, I'm in already, bro. Um,
We got a minute to go on a candle, volume kicking in. And then only 5 minute chart, I mean. We are on the 10 minute chart.
yeah, it looks. Honestly, the chart looks really fucking clean. If it goes, it's stop loss. It is what it is, man. But yeah, it looks clean. I think you can push up. So we're gonna play song. I know. Yeah, contracts are break even right now, so nothing crazy. I know. Hey, play the pump it up. What do you reckon? Spy one SPX. Yeah, I'm in SPX, bro. But you can do whatever you want. Yeah, Spy SPX. As long as you just have the exposure to the direction at the end of the day, you know. That, bro. Play the song. I know. I nearly played Smack That. Hey, I nearly played Smack That. How crazy. I nearly played Smack That accidentally. It would have been freaking going south. It would have been cooked. It would have been, see you later. I know. Don't you know, pump it up. Got you, pump it up. Alright, we need to see a QQQ's break above the previous candle's high. And it's going. Come on. Bro, what the fuck is this song? Fucking, what is this stupid ass fuck song? Hey. Hang on. Bro, what is this gay shit? Fucking, who started this shit? Alright, for all the single people, I have something for you as well, bro. Don't. I'm Mr. Lonely. The lonely body. She says single doesn't mean lonely. Sure. 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 Of course. Of course.
Take the humor. This is the one.
ਪੈਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਬਲੈਂਸੀ ਪਿੰਡਾ ਟੱਕਦੀ ਟ੍ਰੈਪ ਆ ਬਰਸੀ ਹੈ ਨੀ ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਸ਼ਹਿ ਕਿਹੜੀ 10 ਬਿੱਲੋ ਐਸੀ ਪਿੰਡ ਲਾਵਾਂ ਮੋਢੇ ਤੇ ਖੇਸੀ ਟੱਕਦੀ ਟ੍ਰੈਪ ਆ ਬਲੈਂਸੀ ਹੈ ਨੀ ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਸ਼ਹਿ ਕਿਹੜੀ 10 ਬਿੱਲੋ ਐਸੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੈਂਜਡਰੀ ਛੱਟਿਆ ਡਿਫੈਂਡਰਾਂ ਰੱਖੀਆਂ ਰੱਖੀਆਂ ਰਾਰੀ ਬੈਂਡਰਾਂ ਰੱਖੀਆਂ ਪਿਆਰੀ ਰੱਖੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਬੈਕ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਬੋਲੀ ਸਾਲ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਨਾ ਦੀ ਬੋਲੇ ਵੈਰ ਦੀ ਕੁੜੇ ਆ ਕਰੀ ਜੇ ਕਰੀ ਪਹਿਲ ਦੀ ਕੁੜੇ ਆ ਚੀਲੰਡੂਆਂ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਹੋ ਮਯੈਲ ਦੀ ਕੁੜੇ ਨੀ ਕਾਂਬਾ ਛੇੜਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਉਤਰਾ ਮੈਦਾਨ 'ਚ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਸਾਲੇ ਹੱਸਦੇ ਆ ਲੋਕੀ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਨੇ ਲੋਕੀ ਕਹਿਣ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੋਕੀ Come on, Spy, get your stupid ass fucking up, bitch. Right? Hey, you can't be too nice to the stocks. Sometimes you gotta be treating them like, you know. Anyway, nice guys finished last. Hey, what did they say? ਹੀਰਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਕਾਦੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਸੰਗਲ ਪਾਇਆ ਤੇ ਫਸਾਇਆ ਤੇਰਾ ਦੇ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਵਫਾਦਾਰੀ ਚੱਲੇ ਪਿੰਡ ਤੇ ਛਪਾਇਆ ਪੀਰੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਸਟੂਡੀਓ 'ਚ ਜਾ ਇਹਨੇ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਤੇ ਪਣਾ ਨਾ ਲੇਬਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਲੱਭਦਾ ਹੀ ਨਾ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਰਟਲਾਂ ਕਰਾਉਣੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਰੈਪ ਦੀਆਂ ਸ਼ਾਮੀ ਲਾਟਾ ਮਾਰਦੀ ਜਵਾਨੀ ਜੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਲਾਦਾ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਬਰਸ ਜੇ ਕਾਦਾ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਆ ਸਲਾਮੀ Let's see if QQQ's make a new high of the day, bro. Let's go. Get your ass up, bitch. That's it. He said the nice guys finish in the shower. Lama mote te gesi. Era je balance. Atakdi drep ya bana. Mitra te sheh kedi 10 bello aisi. All right, we're at this stage where we need to see QQQ's make a new high of the day. If QQQ's make a new high of the day at this stage, 631.6, that will lead to our SPY going, because QQQ's, I don't think QQQ's near all-time highs, is it? SPY's near all-time highs. SPY just need some emotional support right now, and it will try to it'll try to push. QQQ's all-time highs, we're sitting quite further away. So we're at a stage where SPY just needs a little bit of emotional support, and I think it'll try to go. And the emotional support's going to come from QQQ's. So right now, yeah, somebody said you in QQQ's and SPY, bro. I love you, bro, but yeah, I'm in SPY, but hey, you're very good. Yes, SPY needs a little bit of emotional support, and if it gets that from QQQ's when it needs it most, we're good. All right, I'll still break even on this shit, so here we are. Yeah, bro, don't pause the music. Wow, man, not allowed to talk no more, bro. I have a song that we're gonna play if this trade fucking goes exactly how we want it to go. You understand what I'm saying? Hey, how good is this song, bro?
I heard this on repeat for I said my homeboard play.
Let's go! Oh, damn, Manny. Damn, Manny. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Damn, Manny. मैं मजदे या उची मेरे पाया होया गुच्छी तेरे तेरे याद यानी बर्बाद यानी बीटा विच Come on, QQQs, get a little bit of come on, help your spy out a little bit. Get your ass up, fucking make a new high of the day. That's legit what we're waiting for right now. QQQs get above 631.7. It gets above 631.7. That means we're confirming. Okay, this is one of them wants to go. You know what I mean? If one of them wants to go, then we have SPY that will try to push towards the all-time highs, because previous all-time highs that we saw around this 696.4ish, these were all in the pre-market action. So this is like not when the market was actually open. So all this drama that we saw above that was in the pre-market. So when the market opens, different amount of volume, we'll get different amount of volume. If we do get a break on this QQQs about 631.7, SPY started making a move up. It will be what's the word? It'll be interesting to keep an eye on that. That's essentially what I'm watching right now. Yeah, still break even on this contracts, man. That's cooked. You have this QQQs trying to get above. We just need one little push on this. Yeah, that's legit what's happening. Trading all-time highs, bro. Trading all-time highs. Music DJ. I don't think we need music right now, bro. We need prayers, right? Hey, we need prayers. We need sage, bro. You need this. Is it? You need hope. Hey, let's just sell the house and jump in. You understand? By the way, jokes apart, y'all. We have QQQs that are trying. QQQs are essentially making a new high of the day. If SPY makes a new high of the day, QQQs making a new high of the day. They both get into a sync, and I think we should be good to go. Especially because there's no critical level on QQQ's chart that is sitting nearby. So we have 80 cent. Yeah, we have 80 cent move. Yeah, room of 80 cents on QQQs. Is it? That's module 20. Yes, that's what module number 20. Okay. Also, this right now I'm on a 5-minute chart. 10-minute chart looks. 10-minute chart looks still bloody beautiful, bro. I mean, look at the 10-minute chart. It still looks clean. Come on, darling, you good? Let's go. Keep pushing. 6.45 is me average price on this. Let's go. All right, 20%, y'all. 20%. How good. Take a little bit of profits if you guys want to. Absolutely fucking beautiful. All right, here we go. 20%. Fuck yeah. Take tiny bit off, fam. over $100 a contract. Fuck sake, sexy. Take a little bit off. Yeah, take a little bit off.
What a play.
What a fucking play! Not just a play. What a play! What a fucking sexy play, darling.
Yeah.
I told y'all if Spy QQQs they both get into the sink, we have some room. And if it holds above the 696.4, I think we have room towards 697.3, which is absolute all time highs, even based off the pre market high. We took a little bit off, and now we just let the runners run. Hey, that's it. Hi, can you please write it in your trade channel if possible? Bro, this was way too risky, man. It's all-time high play. It's just, if I miss, if I miss, let's say, typing because I'm managing my position, it's just, it gets a little bit ugly. And if somebody finds out 15 minutes later, I only type out the plays which I feel comfortable, where I'll be like, all right, I'm comfortable here. You know what I mean? Yeah, this took freaking forever. I know, bro. It looks nice. It's holding above 696.4. QQQ is making a move towards the upside. Now we're going to play a song which is absolutely freaking beautiful. Hey, one Punjabi song, and then we play one.
I ride through the ghetto, windows down halfway.
He said, why is this pulling back? Bro, okay, here's the thing, man. Nothing needs to freaking keep pushing up towards the upside like in a straight line. It just game doesn't work like this. So when you look at this chart right now, what do you see? What I see is it gave us a beautiful, beautiful profit taking. We took beautiful profits, right? Right at the peak, we took profits. And we took beautiful profits. And now what the game becomes is either going to be break even for we take as a break even of the option contracts as the point to get out. Or if it continues, but this pullback gives us another entry, it becomes sexy all of a sudden again. You understand what I'm saying? So pullbacks are your friend. Pullbacks are healthy for the trend. And also we need QQQs above us. I was speaking about this before, 631.7. QQQs need to get above 631.7. Once it gets above 631.7, so we will have SPY make a move up, try to make a move up as well. And also, did you guys remember earlier in the day I was talking about how SPY smells weak? Hey, anybody remember that? I was like, SPY smells weak, man. Did you guys see how we flipped our bias fully? We were like, all right, nah, bro, we'll trade the upside. The trend is upside, we'll trade the upside. It doesn't matter, bro. I'm not married to nothing other than my wife. I'm not married to none of these fucking, nah. Bias doesn't pay. I'd rather be wrong and still fucking make money. You understand what I'm saying? And that's the game we're playing. And there you go. We have QQQs trying to get above, is holding above 631.7. And that made the wick on the bottom possible on this SPY. So if QQQs just hold above this 0.7-ish area or even tries to make a new highs, SPY is good to go. Somebody said tweezer top. Very good. Very good, Jay. Are your stop losses manual? Yes. Yes. With how SPY and SPX are pumping, FOMC will be a sell off, bro. We'll find out tomorrow how the market looks, man. I guess. Yeah, we need to see QQQs. They're holding nice. So I'm loving it. They're essentially forming a level flag strategy fully. Full level flag strategy happening right now. If it makes a new highs, we good to go. Or the previous 5. If we quickly switch to 5-minute chart, what's happening on a previous 5-minute chart? 5-minute candle made a new high, a lot of volume. I want to dig deep into this. Where does the volume come from? Did this volume come from the little green push? Did this volume come from the red push? We had a lot of volume come on as soon as we broke below this 696.4, which was the level we were watching. If we get above this, still the break of this has a lot more volume at 1119. Definitely at this stage 696.4ish is big critical level, and we need to see a break above it with a lot of volume.
It's a pivot point as well.
Yeah, we need to see a break above this with a lot of volume. 696.5 essentially. Good. We had a good profit taking. If you guys want to, if anybody wants to take even more, a little bit profit off, just you want to take a little bit more risk off. I don't think it's a bad spot to take a little bit more risk off the table. Yeah, everybody on the same page with that. If you want to take a little bit more risk off the table, you can. There's like a decent spot where you should essentially do that. And then after that, whatever runners you're holding, you can hold your runners. I took a little bit more off. Now I'm holding the tiniest of the tiny runners. Yeah. We go from there. Yeah. Could this pullback essentially on a smaller time frame? This pullback will mean bouncing off the 8 exponential moving average. If they bounce off the 8 EMA and a 2-minute chart, 5-minute chart leads to 5-minute chart EMA is quite further away, but the distance between 8 EMA and 21 EMA has been quite significantly wide also at the same time. But QQQ's 5-minute 8 EMA is sitting right there. So if it bounces off that, clearly we see it's directly proportional. If QQQ is bouncing, we have SPY bouncing because SPY is near all-time highs. So if QQQs bounce off this ATMA, which looks like it is right now, SPY should be good to go. It probably become a good spot to add if there's on the next candle, not here, on the next candle. Let's see. Let's go, bro. It's been 2 hours. I'm on this call right now, and we took 3 trades. 3 trades so far. Man, it takes. Sometimes you're sitting there waiting for the best setups, and it takes forever. I know. Come on, darling. This is the spot where this is the point where if it's solid, it'll bounce off. If it's not solid, no, it'll go south. Critical point again. We have break even. Guys, respect your break evens. We have break even on the option contracts, holding the bids. The ask side is holding on the option contract, so I'm still in. Ask is holding on the option contracts. I'm still in. 6.4 is holding on the option contract. Yeah, I'm up. 6.4, 6.3, 5 seconds. 6.4-ish holding so far. I want to do a little tiny bit of a fucking sprinkle of an ad somewhere down here, but it's just this is roughly where we should be getting out fucking rather than adding in. Yeah, guys, don't do no dumb shit. Good. You understand? Good. I'm out. This is like the spot where if something want to bounce, this is ATMAs sitting on the both sides. If something want to bounce, this roughly is a spot where it will try to bounce as much. But good profit taking that we had at the top, and that's essentially, to me, that's a fucking win, bro. All right, y'all. I'm calling it a day. You guys have fun. This is getting recorded with my live PNL running. I tried for the first time. My live PNL running. It's gonna be posted on YouTube. It's gonna be an over 2 hour long video with a live PNL running on the screen while I'm executing the trades. So you're gonna see how I went from how I was in a trade, and the trade was up. I was up like 10 grand at one stage on this SPY, but by the time I closed it, based off some crappy executions, by the time I closed it, I'm only up like 1800, from 10 grand to 1800. Do you see what I'm saying? And then went from 1800 to 3400. So the real game has began. Is that and haters gonna say it's fake, bro? Legit. Well, the only thing that I realized was, I'm like, what is this one thing that I'm doing now versus everybody else? I'm like, all right, you know what? I'm posting all this content. You know what? I'm gonna put my live running PNL there as well, so people get to actually see it. It's a real account, and imagine me taking $100,000 day, and it's live running, going from $300, $800 to $80,000 to $120,000. So I'm looking forward to that. And that's with pretty much the whole thing on the screen. So I'm looking forward to that. By the way, if anybody watching on YouTube, bro, let's make it happen.